Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson from MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Do a video walkthrough of this traded in 2016 21 SPX with the 4.3 Mercruiser. Great boat, kept freshwater boat on a lift. This boat has 276 hours on it. It was sold new, one owner in 2016 and recently just traded back into us. It's got the nice bow with the step down here. Storage under all the cushions. The windshield will close over here. Then it's got the nice playpen seating where you can move the seats, fold them underneath, and kind of have three different seating positions over here with the backrest, and so you can put your feet down. In-floor storage, snap-in woven carpet. Nice option on the SPX. You can walk right on through here, easy to get in and off the boat. Onto the sea decking, right to the ladder. You got the nice sun pad here that you can hang out with. It does flip up, so you can sit here in the back of the boat and relax, hang out. Storage on the left side there. Built-in cooler here, and then nice playpen seating here. Got the nice original, analog gauges there with some digital readout for your hours, and then your depth finder over here on the right. Great boat. Like I said, 2016 21 SPX Sea Ray 4.3 Mercruiser, fun boat. Great for cruising, do some water sports on this boat. Awesome boat, capacity for 12 people. Come on out and check this boat. It'll be online at our MarineMaxGreenville.com. It'll be at the store here in Greenville, and you can give us a call on this boat at 864-236-9005. Thank you.